Good morning, children. Today, let us learn how to write or derive a formula to solve problems. A formula is a mathematical rule that shows the relationship between two or more variables. Okay, let us do few examples, children. Our first question is, write a formula for the number of hours in any number of days using words and letters. Okay, so first find the relationship between a day and hours. You already learned that one day is equal to 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day. Okay. First we have to write the formula in words. So we can write it as hours is equal to 24 into days. This is in 24 into days. This is in words. Now in letters, we can use H for hours and D for days. 24 into days. So we can write it as H is equal to 24D. Okay. Now our next question is, work out the number of hours in 7 days. 7 days. We can use this formula to find number of hours in 7 days. That is H is equal to 24 into 7. Substitute 7 for D. Okay. So our answer is 168. Okay. Now our next question is, write a formula for the number of months in any number of years in words and letters, and use this formula to work out the number of months in 8 years. Okay. So first find the relationship between months and years. As you already learned, 1 year is equal to 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. So we can write this in words first. That is, months is equal to 12 into years. 12 into years. That is in words. Now use letters. Use M for months and Y for years. So this is a formula in letters. Okay. Use this to work out the number of months in 8 years. So what will we do, children? Substitute 8 for Y. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. Okay. So children, first think about the relationship between months and years. There are 12 months in an year. So months is equal to 12 into years, that is in words. Now use M for months and Y for years. So in letters the formula is M is equal to 12Y. Use this formula to find the number of months in 8 years. Substitute 8 for Y. So 12 into 8 is equal to 96. Okay. Now our next question is, this is how a taxi company works out the cost of a journey for a customer. There is a fixed charge of $6 plus $2 per kilometer. Write a formula for the cost of a journey in words and letters. Okay. This is how a taxi company works out the cost of a journey for a customer. The fixed charge. നമ്മൾ ടാക്സിയിൽ കയറി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ $6 കൊടുക്കണം, പ്ലസ് $2 പെർ കിലോമീറ്റർ. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റേഴ്സ് ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യണോ അതിനെല്ലാത്തിനും $2 വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ പേ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ റൈറ്റ് എ ഫോർമുല ഫോർ ദ കോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് എ ജേർണി in words and in letters. Words and in letters. So we can write this as, first in words, cost of a journey. Cost of a journey is equal to fixed charge. What is a fixed charge, children? $6 plus $2 per kilometer. $2 per kilometer. So 2 into cost per kilometer means for 1 kilometer. Cost per kilometer. Cost per kilometer. Okay. So this is in words. Cost of a journey is equal to $6. That is a fixed charge. ആ ചാർജിന് ഒരിക്കലും മാറ്റം വരില്ല. അതാണ് ഫിക്സഡ് ചാർജ്. പ്ലസ് 2 into cost per kilometer. This is in words. Now in letters, we can use A for cost of a journey. Okay, then 6 is the fixed charge. 6 അത് നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. 6 plus 2C. So use A for cost of a journey and C for cost per kilometer. So this is in letters. A is equal to 6 plus 2C. Okay. Now children, use this formula to work out the cost of a journey of 35 kilometer. നമ്മൾ ഈ ഫോർമുല യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് 35 കിലോമീറ്ററിനുള്ള കോസ്റ്റ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് 35 for C. 6 is fixed and 2 also fixed. അതെല്ലാം ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ച ചാർജാണ്. കോസ്റ്റ് പെർ കിലോമീറ്റർ ആണ് മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഹിയർ ദ ടോട്ടൽ കിലോമീറ്റർ ഈസ് 35. Okay, so 6 plus 2 into 35. 6 plus, first do multiplication. 2 into 35, 70. Now 6 plus 70 is 76. So what is the cost of journey? $76. Okay, 6 plus 2 into 35. Substitute 35 for C. Do multiplication. 2 into 35, 70. 6 plus 70 is 76. Okay. Now children, our next question is, use the formula V is equal to U plus 10t to work out the value of V. Here the formula is given, that is V is equal to U plus 10t. സയൻസുമായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫോർമുലയാണ്. വെലോസിറ്റി റിലേറ്റീവ് ടൈമും വെലോസിറ്റിയും ടൈമും തമ്മിൽ റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫോർമുലയാണ് ഇത്. V is equal to U plus 10t to work out the value of V. So when U is equal to 5 and T is equal to 12. Okay. So write the formula first. V is equal to U plus 10t is equal to, now substitute the given values. U is equal to 5. U is equal to 5. So 5 plus 10t means 10 into t. So 10 into 12. 5 plus 10 into 12, 120. Always do the multiplication first. Use order of operations. Okay. 5 plus 120 is 125. Similarly, you can find the value of V for question B and C. Do it as homework. Okay. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you, children.